Hey, what's going on guys, this is Sunny from Ultimate Tech Review, back with another video. So today's video is kind of different from other videos. So basically I'm starting a new series which goes with Tech Hacks 101, where I'll be coming up with some of the tech related tutorials and stuff. So today's video is based on IGTV. So a lot of us guys know that recently Instagram launched IGTV, which is also known as Instagram TV, and it only supports vertical video, and I guess every single creator on YouTube shoots video in landscape mode. And now the big question is that how do you upload that landscape video on IGTV without cropping the video? So today I'll be showing you guys that how to convert landscape video into vertical mode without cropping a single bit of frame in Sony Vegas Pro. So let's get started. So once you have opened the Vegas Pro, what you have to do is just create a new document, go and hit Ctrl N. So the default value over here is 1920 by 1080, which is a landscape format, and as you know that you have to create a portrait mode like a vertical video. So just inverse the value. So change 1920 to 1080 and 1080 to 1920. So now as you can see that you have a vertical frame over here. So now just go ahead and import the video that you want. So I'll just import a video. So after importing the video, you can see that it is in landscape mode, but the black part of it does look kind of ugly. So if you upload, you can upload a video like that, but it won't look that good. So just to make it more attractive, what we'll do, just create a new video track over here. So now press U and ungroup the video layer. So I'll hit U and just make a copy of a video of this video layer. So I'll hit Control and drag a video upside. So yeah, once you've created the two video layer and one audio file, so just go ahead and select the middle layer, this layer, and hit the pan and crop event. So once you open this, there is a width and height section. So what you have to do is change the width to 438 and its height to 778. Wait a minute, 778, and hit enter. So as you can see that the video itself came in the background. So what you have to do is, just to make it more attractive, go to video effects and search for Gaussian blur and drag the medium blur on it. So your video will look something like this if you play it. So just select the frame and go and hit render, and you have to make some changes over here as well. So the default value I use is 1080p at 60 fps. So I'll select that one and hit the customize template. So once again you have to inverse the value over here. So just go to custom frame, and over here the width is 1920, so make it 1080p, and the height is 1080, so make it 1920, and hit enter, and just give it a name. You can just name it IGTV, and you can just render it. So now you can see that the video is rendering in the vertical format. So once the video is rendered, just go ahead and open the file. You can just play it. So now as you can see that the video is in its vertical format. So you can do this to any of your landscape video and convert it into vertical mode. So you can just convert any of your landscape video to a good looking vertical video without cropping its single frame size. So guys, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. And let me know in comment section what do you think about this Tech Hack 101 and what else do you want to see in it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.